How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, first of all, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in your browser. So here, let's wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. That's the country we're going to target in today's explanation. Here, click on the United States and wait for it to load. And this is the best country we can apply this method to. So here, let's choose a state or a city that we can zoom in on. So for example, I'm going to choose Oregon in today's explanation. So here, let's zoom in on this state and let's go for this place. And here, go to the search and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. So you have a lot of options like plumbers, hair salons, auto repair, garages, and gyms. So for example, I'm going to go for gyms. And before we dive into how you can find the best profiles to reach out to or the best small businesses that you can reach out to, I'm going to show you the 3 services that we can offer them. So the first service is the website creation or the website innovation. So we are going to see if they have a website or not. If they don't have one, we can offer them to create one for them. And if they have one, we are going to check the website. If it's up to date, we can do anything. Then we can just move on to the next service. And if it's outdated, we are going to offer to renovate their website. And the second service is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their Google Maps profile reviews to see if there is any 1-star or 2-star reviews that gives bad reputation to their business, and then we're going to help them remove those. And the third service is the social media management. So we are going to check their social media accounts to see if they have some professional posts and this social media looks like someone is managing it or not. If not, we are going to offer to manage their social media for them. So here, let's scroll down to see all of the profiles in here. As you can see, we have three gyms with the same name. I think it's the same brand. And here we have other gyms. So the first thing I want you to pay attention to is if there is any sponsored written in the top of the profile, and also pay attention to the reviews. If they have more than 150 reviews, that means that business is out of our league. There is no, it will be hard to land them as our client. But in the contrary, with businesses with less than 150 reviews, that means they're still small and they would still need to get more clients. So this one is a perfect example of the great profile that we can reach out to. So let's wait for the profile to load. And here, let's start with the first service that I told you we are going to offer them, which is the website creation. So here, let's check their website. First, open website to see if their website is up to date or not. So here, just from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a very up-to-date website. It won't need any renovation or anything like that. So let's just close this, and then let's move on to the bad reviews. So here they have some 1-star and 2-star reviews, as you can see from this review summary. So let's scroll down to see if we can find those bad reviews, and if we can take a screenshot of these bad reviews in order to use them to convince the business owners to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here let's scroll down until we find a 1-star or 2-star review. For now it's only the 5-star reviews, but just be patient, we are going to find the 2-star. Here we have a 3-star review. It's a bit small, dark, but very accommodating. As far as equipment, as I was passing through town, I'm glad they were there so I can keep up with my workout. It's not a really bad review, highly recommend. Here we have 5-star, 5, and here we have 1-star review. Literally the worst gym experience I have ever had. The gym itself is fine, but the process of canceling was absolutely terrible. The multiple staff encounters I had were not helpful and provided me with no answer or information on how to resolve it. All of my contact with the third-party website was also not answered after being on hold many times. I have also worked in a gym myself, and this is not how these situations should be handled. After the final contact with the gym, I sent them back a message and heard nothing in return. So I assumed the problem was resolved. I thought wrong because I received a debt collections bill in the mail. I took the hit and paid it because it's not worth the hassle anymore. Just a warning to anyone, they use a third party for cancellation and it is an extreme hassle. So here this is the response from the owner. I'm sorry you had a frustrating experience, but there definitely seems to be some disconnected here in the staff's last communication with you in September of last year. We let you know that we would be able to work with you to resolve the issue and avoid having your account sent to collections, but you declined that. Additionally, as of this moment, the collection balance is still outstanding. So here the owner is attempting to straighten out the situation, but even though the client wouldn't or didn't remove her bad review, which is bad for the business and a bad reputation from the owners and the staff as well. So I would guess that they would love to remove such kind of bad reviews. So you can offer them that service, and as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill to learn. You just go to fiverr.com, then you can find clients or freelancers who will deliver the service instead of you delivering it for only $25 or $30. So for example, if we charge this client $100 for removing the bad reviews, and we pay this freelancer, for example, $25, we will be left with $75 in our pocket without even learning a skill. So I think guys you get the idea of this method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.